Let's see how we can transfer multiple charts from Excel to PowerPoint using VBA programming. Here I have one Excel file where one sheet has data. So let me go to sheet named data, and on this sheet I have data from column A to column E. And on second sheet named as pivot and chart, I have three pivot tables that I have created using data on data sheet. And for each pivot table I have created one chart here. So total I have three charts here. Now I want to transfer all these charts available on this sheet to PowerPoint automatically. And it should be one chart on each slide. So total I want three slides in PowerPoint. So I have a command button here. I have already written VBA code to do this task. Once I click on this command button, it will create a new PowerPoint and three sheets or total sheets as per number of charts on that active sheet. So we can see that first chart on first sheet, second chart on second sheet, third chart on third sheet, and also I'm getting message task completed. So let me click on OK. Now let's see what is the VBA code that I have developed for this task. I'll go to developer tab, click on design mode, and then I will double click on this command button to view the code. So this is the simple code that I can utilize to export or transfer charts from Excel to PowerPoint. So what is this code? First, dim p app as PowerPoint application, PowerPoint dot application. So p app is, I have given this name. We can give any name to this variable. And then PowerPoint presentation, p press as PowerPoint dot presentation, and then dim p slide PowerPoint slide as PowerPoint dot slide. And then I have declared one variable for number of slides, dim slide underscore index. We can give here also any name whatever we want as integer. And then I have mentioned here in comments, this is to declare Excel objects. So next line is dim chart as chart object. So variable name is chrt. And then set p app equal to new PowerPoint dot application. So this is to create new instance of PowerPoint. So let me write it here as comment. This is to create new instance of PowerPoint. And then papp dot visible equal to true. And then set p press equal to papp dot presentations dot add. This is for creating presentation within PowerPoint application. So let me write it here. This is to create presentation within PowerPoint application. And then to start with slide underscore index equal to 1. So I am assigning 1 to slide index variable for first slide. And then I have used one for loop for each chart in active sheet. And let me show you, we have only three charts here, but this code that I'm sharing will work for all the charts that we will have on one sheet. then chart dot copy, and then set p slide equal to p press dot slides dot add, and here I am passing two variables, slide underscore index and then pp layout blank. So this comes automatically. pp layout blank and then p slide dot shapes dot paste. And what I am doing here, slide underscore index equal to slide underscore index plus 1. So I am increasing the variable value by adding 1. So it will run for 3 times, and then closing statement of loop, next chart. And finally I have written one message box to inform that task is completed. So we can give any value here. Let me change this to PPT is created for charts. So let me select all this code, go to tool, then options, editor format, and let me decrease the font size to 14 so that it is visible in one time. Now one thing we need to remember here, that when we are working to automate Excel and PowerPoint using VBA code, we will go to tools, select reference, and here we get the references for many applications. Out of this, ensure that we have selected Microsoft PowerPoint Object Library. So this is the code. Let me go to Excel sheet, click on design mode. Now we are out of design mode. Let me click this command button one more time. And now message is changed. PPT is created for all the charts. And we can see the PowerPoint presentation with 3 slides. Let me show the code again. So this is the basic code to automate Excel and PowerPoint. You can practice it and modify this code to use it in different types of Excel PowerPoint automation projects. I hope this tutorial is helpful. You can subscribe to my channel for getting notifications for new VBA tutorials. If you have any question around this topic, you can write into comments or you can send me email. Thanks for watching.